Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the COUNTA function. So the COUNTA function is used to count the number of cells that are not empty in a certain data range. So for the purpose of this video I have created a little table that contains some cells, and each of those cells contains a different argument. So here we have numbers, here we have money, here we have percentages, here we have text, and we have a date. And we will verify if it will count pretty much all those elements inside of our function. So how exactly can we write down the COUNTA function? So it's pretty simple. We are going to start with a $sign, and then we can write down count, and then we write down a. So here is our function right here. Then we can open up our parentheses, and the next thing will be to select either a certain values, either select a range of cells. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna select a range of cells, and then we can run the function. So as you can see here, the answer is 5 because we have only 5 cells that are full. If, for example, I go on this cell right here and add, I don't know, anything, so a minus sign, as you can see, it will automatically become 6. But a cell is considered empty when there is absolutely nothing in it. So even if I add a space, so let's say I click on the space bar and I click on enter, as you can see, it will be considered as a full cell. So it's no longer an empty cell. Even if there is, if I click on the space bar, it's considered a cell that is not empty. So if I'm taking it away, it will become 5. But if I add a space sign, it will become 6. So this is how you use the COUNTA function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.